Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. I hope all of you are doing well. So finally your NEET exam is finished and I think all of you have checked what will be your marks in this exam after comparing with the answer key from the reliable sources. So the most asked question now in your mind is that what will be the NEET 2023 cutoff? Will it be increase or decrease than the previous year? So in this video, I like to discuss then what will be the NEET 2023 cutoff by analyzing the paper level and also comparing with the previous year. The will it increase or not? And then I will mention the previous year All India cutoff. I mean second round, because I will not consider the mop up or the stray vacancy round, and I will consider in general the second round cutoff, and I also try to predict that what will be the this second round cutoff. So stay tuned till the last of this video and I hope you will be surely benefit. See the factors, that means what will determine the cutoff marks. So first one is the number of the student and second one is the question paper level. So this year almost 21 lakh students appear there, which is greater than that means 18 lakh students of the previous year in NEET 2022. So therefore almost 3 lakh students extra, 3 lakh students extra this year. So here therefore there will be little more competition will be done occurred this year, because there is not that much seat increase and almost seats are same. So if the seats are same and number of the students are more, so obviously there will be more competition and that will tend to the increase in the cutoff marks. So now let's come to the paper level. I will discuss three subjects separately. So first let's come to the biology paper. So biology was little bit less lengthy than the previous year. Because statement based question was less than the previous year that come in the 2022. You know that if the statement wise questions are more, that means that are more time consuming and you have to read all those questions, then you have to mark them. That will consume your time and also make the paper tough. So this year that didn't happen, less lengthier than the previous year. And one more point is that geology paper, geology questions were more than the question that came from the botany portion. So conclusion is that biology is little bit easy. I will not say that it is much easier than the previous year, almost same, but it is little bit easy. So obviously that will tend to increase in the cutoff marks. Now come to the physics paper. Physics paper is almost same. I didn't saw any that much difference in the 22 and 23 paper. Physics paper is almost same. And so if one student can do physics well, he also able to do this year too, and obviously his or her marks will be greater than the those student who can't do all the physics question also. And here the time thing is also matter, because if you have to complete all the physics question, you have to maintain the time too, because almost very in these very cases that physics paper also become time consuming. So now let's come to the chemistry portion. That I saw chemistry, organic, inorganic, and the physical portion. According to me, organic and physical are almost same, but inorganic portion was more come from the NCRT. And I this also told me a student, if when I went a nearby exam center to ask the student about the paper level. You have, if you have not checked this video and go, you can watch this. So inorganic questions that were depend from the NCRT. So if you have not if you didn't read NCRT's inorganic very well, so you can't attempt, because you know that if you have to attempt the inorganic question, you must have to know this. So inorganic question, if you can't attempt that will lead to a tough chemistry paper. So comparatively chemistry paper was little bit harder than the previous year, especially the inorganic portion. So hence final conclusion is that final conclusion is that NEET 2023 almost same, a little bit easier than the previous year, because because as I said that biology and the physics is almost was same than the previous year, and chemistry was little bit harder, and especially inorganic portion. But if you read inorganic very well, you will can easily attempt those questions. So the answer is that cutoff will surely increase. There is no chance to decrease the cutoff, because paper level are that not that much difficult than the previous year, or rather it is easier than the little bit easier than the previous year. So cutoff will increase obviously. So now let's come to the uh, what was the all India cutoff. All India cutoff, it was you for UR, it was 602, for EWS it was 598, OBC for 601, SC for uh, SC for it was 440, 444, and this was the paper level. This was the cutoff for the 440. So final conclusion is that according to my prediction, the cutoff will be, according to my prediction, cutoff will be increased about 5 to 6 marks. So I think that cutoff will increase 5 to 6 marks. And if you add those number, that means 602 plus 5, that means almost 607 to 608. For EWS 606, for OBC it is 607, etc. And for SC it is 480, and for ST it will be 459 something. So this were the, I think that according to my prediction will be the cutoff level. So if you are scoring then increase, if you are scoring more than, if you are scoring greater than the, if you are scoring greater than the 606, your selection is confirmed, and you can now chill, because you will surely crack the NEET this year, because if you are scoring 606. So that was the, I think that might be happened this year, and according to the my guess, and let's see what happened. I hope all of you have watched this video entirely, and if you want to get a more number of the videos according to the counseling process, and also the various type of state-wise cutoff, and also what documents are required for the counseling, please make sure that you have subscribed this channel. And if you want to ask anything, don't hesitate to comment below, and also let me know what you have scored in NEET 2023 in the comment box. So see you in the next video. Bye.